Okay guys, welcome back to the WillssFX channel, and today is number 6 of the 10 to £1,000 FOREX trading challenge. Since the last episode we have actually made quite a few big gains on the account, including a lot of Euro JPY trades. As you probably know, it is my favourite pair to actually trade. So basically what I'm going to do at the start of this video is just go through the trades I've made since making the previous video and show you on the charts, because a lot of people have been asking why I've actually taken the trades, how I've actually worked out like top-down analysis from the 4 hour, the daily, then down to the 15-minute, 30-minute for the entries, and how I actually go about from like a clean chart, just going about to actually look for trades and like positions to enter. So I'm basically just going to go through that, why I entered the trade, what happened during the trade and stuff like that. And then we can have a look at a little update on the account and how it's doing percentage wise. If we actually go back to the chart where I actually entered this Euro JPY trade now, what we're seeing on the 4 hour around this area is, as you see, the 125 area, it couldn't break above, so we have this area of resistance up here. So yeah, this area of resistance which has been rejected multiple times, and as you see what happened here, we had this bearish pin candle. You could see it as like a doji or a spinning top. We had the little impulsive move down, pull back, and then another drop down to this area down here. And as you see, if we go down to the lower time frames on this area around here, price was actually creating this area of mini support where it couldn't break below, wicks below here. But yeah, we had this nice impulsive move down and price couldn't hold below, came back to retest, a little bit of consolidation around this area here, But yeah, after I saw the big bearish engulfing candles and the little pullbacks, you can tell straight away by the size of the candles and the wicks that price is going to reverse into a bearish move. Big bearish candles and little bullish candles. And if you go down onto the lower time frames, you'll see at this area up here created a lower resistance. We had this area up here before, around this area here, and it created another lower resistance. Once I saw that it started to break below this level, I actually entered a short position, stops just above here, around 12 pips or so. And yeah, my take profit was exactly here, around 46 pips. And as you see, we had big bearish push down on the first 3 candles, and the 4th candle wicked into the support and hit my take profit. Did enter 3 positions on this trade, and in total from this we actually gained £24.66. I had a 0.03, a 0.02 and another 0.03. The 0.02, I don't know why, but my take profit didn't set correctly and it got taken out early, which, you know, it's annoying. We could have got more profit, but you know, profit is profit. And with such a small risk and with a nice 3.1 to 3.8 risk to reward, obviously you can't complain with that as a gain on the account. The account is currently sitting at around £139.10. We were actually looking to enter a trade yesterday. We were going to enter this trade. As you see, Euro JPY is dropping, pullback, dropping, pullback. As you see, we created this little support here, and it came down, rejected, came back up and started breaking below, so we entered here. We were in profit for a while. Price came back to retest this support again and again. If we move this across, you can see that it struggled to break above here, but then we saw a nice push up, which, you know, it started creating a nice uptrend with higher lows and higher highs up here. So I thought the trade was over, and as it hit our stop loss, price actually broke this ascending trend line here, broke the support as well, which obviously is now acting as a resistance again, and we would have been in around 15-16 pips profit. Obviously it's quite annoying how I hit the stop loss, but we didn't actually enter on this account, so it's okay for the challenge. But yeah, we've had a very good few weeks on this account. We've actually been gaining quite a lot with hardly any losses, which is obviously very, very good. We obviously had that Euro JPY trade, the short position, and also Euro JPY has actually been the pair which we've been making most of our profit on. As you know, we sold it before and made a £3.94 in the end of the last video. And yeah, we're up a very large percentage on the account. Since the last episode, we've managed to get 186 pips in a week, which is obviously very good going. And our average win is around £6.52, which obviously, if we keep that up and as the account grows, hopefully the average win will grow as we compound the account up. Obviously, we're not withdrawing any, we're trying to get up to 1,000, so the percentages are going to increase, the growth overall is going to increase, but obviously with that the losses will increase over time. So actually we've had a very good profitability rate. I'm not sure what it is, I'll probably calculate it, but yeah, been a very good run so far. If we're looking for trades now, I'll have a little look on gold. Let's look on the higher time frames. Yeah, gold was in this nice uptrend since 1850, and as you see, a massive bearish candle which was around 230 pips, broke that ascending channel, as you see with the higher highs and higher lows. So yeah, maybe we'll see a push down to this support, back down to 1850 area. But yeah, we just got to see what happens with gold. As you know, it likes to move a lot, like 100 or so pips a day. But you know, once you capitalize on those moves, as you've seen with this account, most of our big gains have actually been catching those big drops on gold. So if we do catch one of them, that would be very good and beneficial for the account. But obviously, you've got to look at the charts because gold moves so quickly, and that's a good thing about setting alerts. What I'd advise you is, say you have this key level here and you want to enter a short position once it breaks below this, you right click, add alert, and you can basically change all the settings. You can get it to send you an email, notify on your phone on the app if you have the TradingView app, which I recommend you download. And yeah, short position alert. So yeah, if we create that, now when gold crosses this level here, it will give us notifications. So instead of watching the charts the whole time, I'm just watching until it crosses this level. You can just know in the back of your mind that if gold actually reaches this level, which is one of the key levels that we could enter a position from, that you know you're going to get notified. And yeah, it also stops you missing trades that you've been looking out for a while. Say you're like eating or you're out somewhere and you're not really on the charts. Yeah, it just tells you that there's a trade to enter and so on. Say we look on the 1 hour on gold. In these few hours, we've gone from bullish uptrend to a 360 pip push to the downside. Like, if you're not watching the charts and not using a stop loss and you're long on that position, your account's wiped out. I mean, you've got to be very careful, risking 1%, obviously using stop losses and take profits on every single trade. We don't really have to use take profits unless you're like swing trading it over time. But yeah, 100%, if you're not using stop loss on your trades, then you'll probably end up over time losing your account. Your balance is just going to degrade every time you make a loss. All the hard work does pay off. So once you've put in the effort and the hard work and the hours and hours of chart work, yeah, it will pay off eventually. Every trader has losing weeks, sometimes even months, and especially at the start of your journey, you can expect to lose. So if you expect to be profitable straight away, then I'm sorry to tell you, but you are in the wrong business. And anything like this, like business, if you're starting your own business, you probably won't be profitable in the first few months anyway, because you've got all the setting up costs. If you think about it though, when you go to like school, college or whatever that you have to pay for, you go like 20,000 up to like £100,000 in debt. With trading, you can learn on a demo, and then obviously once you've been able to profit on that and your analysis is all correct, then you can put in live money. So if you do trading properly, and you take this advice, then you could end up not losing a lot of money in your trading journey. Obviously, so much information is out there now. I have my VIP, which I teach people in, and obviously there's loads of different courses, lessons, mentoring out there which you can go and find, which will benefit your trading, because sometimes if you're doing it all on your own, it's very hard to become profitable. But yeah, I'm actually looking out for trades still on this account. But if I don't find any, this is going to be the end of this video, because as you see, we've made a nice gain on the account this week already. And yeah, I just don't want to ruin the account by making loads of trades and losses. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.